Happy summer splash everyone. Anyways, let's rant on Creative Galaxy. Creative Galaxy? What? No. More like Stupid Galaxy. OMG. That show sucks. Batman Wendy's KFC. This show is a huge ripoff to Guardians of the Galaxy, but it can't because Creative Galaxy came first. Anyways, this show is about these characters and they like to go on failure adventures. Artie is stupid. I bet if you ask him is the sun is a planet or star, he would say that the sun is a planet. Artie's mom is stupid. I bet she likes to watch the Furchester Hotel 247. Art's dad is an asshole, and no one gives a bad man about the rest of the characters. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 either. Not even 10. Not even 100. Not even 1,000. Not even 10,000. Not even 100,000. Not even 1 million. And not even infinity. The animation is crap. The stories are lame. The music is boring. The songs are pieces of trash. The theme song is garbage. The voice actors are unprofessional. And the characters are jerks. They also like to have sex at night, smoke pot, eat poop for dinner, drink their own pee when they're thirsty, go to school naked when it's time for school to begin, wear diapers as their underwear, and jack off when they're bored. Thank God this show got cancelled on June 13, 2019. Thank God. I don't know who likes this show, so I'm gonna leave it be. But do you know who hates this show? Me. All rock-haste haters. The good rock-haste fans from summer 2020. Chica, Carly Chiarachi, Tim Kubarn, Caitlin Becker, Emily Borromeo, and Megan Thomas Williams from the Sunny Side Up show. But in their Summer of Sprouts family movie night clothes, all characters from Cubix, Robots for Everyone, The Amazing Digital Circus, Splatoon, SMG4, Viva Pinata, The TV Show, Bulbs and Blip, Family Guy, American Dad, The Cleveland Show, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Mutant Mayhem, Make Way for Naughty, Henry Huggle Monster, Tai Chasers, Rocket Monkeys, Piggly Town Heroes, Norman Pickles Drives, Hero Elementary, 16, The Magic School Bus Rides Again, and The Nutcracker, and the girls from Ice Cream Truck comes on Easter. They wish they can go to their planet and kill all the characters with a gun. So anyways, screw Creative Galaxy, and screw Miles from Tomorrowland. The best ice cream truck ice cream, great taste, all death. Ice cream truck comes on Easter, as is ice cream truck of Burriesci family, and Sunny Side Up. The happy birthday song, Sprout are 90 million times better than this shit, and the brand.